Hey everyone, you're probably experiencing something that I experienced where you're trying to use WhatsApp on your web browser and it is stuck on this loading screen right here, as you can see. And so what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to delete your cookies. So in order to do that, you're going to go to the three dots in the top right and then go and click settings. I am using Microsoft Edge, by the way, so it may be different for you based on your browser. Then you're going to click cookies and site permissions. Then click manage and delete cookies and site data. Then you're going to click see all cookies and site data. And then in the top right where it says the search cookies in the search bar, you're going to type WhatsApp. Then you're going to click the drop down arrow for WhatsApp and you're going to delete each one of those that are there. Awesome. So now what you're going to need to do next is just go to the your phone. And this may or may not be a necessary step. I just did it just to be sure. Open WhatsApp and then click the three dots on the top right. After you click it, then you're going to go ahead and click linked devices. Once you're there, you're going to see the device that was linked before. And so you're going to click that where it says Microsoft Edge and you're just going to click log out. Now that you're done, you should go back to your web browser. Go to web.whatsapp.com and you should see this screen right here, and it will allow you to relink your phone with this web browser. And once you are there, perhaps just like me, you will see that it says that there is an update available. Just go ahead and click to update the WhatsApp and it will do so on the web browser. And perhaps this update may have caused an issue with WhatsApp working. That is all that you have to do. Hope it works for you. Stay safe.